In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record with audio on Windows with OBS Studio. If you want your screen recordings to capture audio properly, OBS gives you a lot of control, but one setting in particular is easy to miss. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up audio tracks so your recordings are organized correctly and ready to use. Start by looking at the bottom right corner of OBS Studio and click Settings. This is where all of your recording and audio preferences are managed, so it's the first place you'll want to go when adjusting how OBS saves your recordings. Once the settings window opens, click Output from the menu on the left. The Output section controls how OBS handles recording quality, file settings, and audio track options. At the top of the section, find Output Mode and make sure it is set to Advanced. If it's on Simple, some of the recording options you need may not be visible. Switching to Advanced gives you access to more detailed controls, which is especially helpful when you want to manage separate audio tracks. After that, click the Recording tab within the Output settings. This is where you can choose how your recordings are saved, including which audio tracks are available in the final file. Now look for the Audio Track setting. OBS allows you to use track numbers 1 through 6. These tracks can be useful if you want to separate different audio sources later, such as desktop sound and microphone audio, especially when editing your video. For this setup, just select Track 2. This keeps things simple while making sure you're deliberately assigning the recording to a specific audio track instead of relying on the default without checking it. Once that's done, click Apply and then click OK at the bottom to save your changes and return to the main OBS window. It's always a good idea to apply settings before closing so nothing gets lost. Next, go to the Audio Mixer section in the main OBS interface. At the bottom of that area, click the Options control, then choose Advanced Audio Properties. This is where you decide which audio source is assigned to which track. In the Advanced Audio Properties window, look for the Tracks columns. Here, select the track number you want each audio source to use. Since you enabled Track 2 earlier, make sure the source you want recorded with audio is assigned to that track. This is the part that connects your recording settings to the actual audio sources inside OBS. Once that's set, your OBS recording will be configured to use the track you selected. If you're not hearing audio in your recordings later, this is one of the first places to double check. And that's how to screen record with audio on Windows using OBS Studio.